my finger painting stars, welcome back to another finger painting video. Today we're going to be painting a roll of toilet paper. These are the colors that you'll be needing: yellow, light blue, light pink, black, brown, white, some paper, and your fingers. Don't forget, subscribe on YouTube and share your paintings with me on Instagram. Use the hashtag fingerpaintingstar for your chance to shine as the artist of the week. Now let's begin. As always, when we're finger painting, we like to start in the center or the furthest thing away, add our shadows, and then work towards the viewer. So we're going to go in with our black and we're going to make the inside of the toilet paper roll. And if you notice, if you ever look at a roll of toilet paper, the inside of the roll has a lot of shadow because it doesn't necessarily see the light of day. Unlike toilet paper, which sees a whole lot of light of day. It's very important, we use it a lot. And we all never really realized how important it was until recent events. Okay, so we're gonna kind of just make a circle using our black and our brown, and this is going to be the inside of our roll of toilet paper. We are going to make sure that we color in and we blend our lines, but we need to make sure that the toilet paper part, the brown that is closest to us, is nice and bright and clean. Okay? We're trying to make a painting that's not so crappy. That's my attempt at making a finger painting joke, dealing with toilet paper. Oh, apologies for the bad puns. They will ensue. Okay, we will have a lot of them. Let's take some white and we're going to mix that with this brown. Clean finger. Need to keep your hands nice and clean. We'll wash our fingers and wipe them off frequently as we change colors so as not to spread the colors from one area to another. Let's take this light color and we're just going to put it along the edge. And this is going to be kind of the edge of our toilet paper roll. I'm going to use another finger and kind of blend that together, and that is going to be the edge of our toilet paper roll. I'm going to go the whole way around the circle. I'm going to add a little bit more brown. And we're going to cover up the edge with some of this brown with our white. So if you make it a little bit thicker, it's okay. It's okay to have a thick piece of cardboard on our roll because we want to make sure our roll is nice and steady. Okay. I always love the cardboard rolls tubes inside of toilet paper. There's so many fun crafty things that you can do with it. All you gotta do is use your imagination. There's so many cool things you can do with all sorts of things if you use your imagination. Imaginations are great. All right, I'm going to wash my finger, clean my fingers off before we dive into our next color. Okay, we're going to actually use color because when we think of white, white sometimes actually has a lot of colors within it. Okay, black is all the colors and white is usually an absence of color. But we're going to take these colors and we're going to use them to create different shadows and highlights and make this look like it's something extra special. This is the special golden toilet paper. All right, so we're going to just kind of take our pink and I'm going to make something that looks kind of approximately like a roll, like so. And we're going to show let's figure out where our highlights and lowlights are. So here's going to be the shadow at the bottom of the roll, and we're going to have kind of a piece that comes out like that. We're just figuring out where this crap goes. Where this crap goes. Okay. So that's gonna be kind of an outline of where my toilet paper roll is. Makes a nice cylinder. Okay. So if you see, I have a circle, and then I have a slightly bigger circle that's a little bit off center. It would actually go about here. Okay, and I'm drawing a line in between, and then there's a line here at the bottom, and then that is my paper. I'm gonna go in with some yellow. We're gonna add all of these colors so that when we add our white later on, it's going to make this toilet paper look like it's magical and very special and colorful, because let's be honest, we've all said some very colorful things, or at least a lot of adults have said some very colorful things either in the bathroom or surrounding all of this toilet paper stuff, like trying to find toilet paper, and the cost of toilet paper is becoming more and more ridiculous and astronomical, and by that I mean very big. And it's getting more expensive, and it's a little crazy. This stuff is a little crazy. So we're just going to throw in some color and have some fun with this. And all this color is going to, we're going to show little bits of it here and there, and it's going to really just make this toilet paper stand out and pop and look really cool. Okay. I'm going to take some blue, and now the blue and the yellow will make a little bit of green, but I'm just kind of doing little strokes, as you can see, little back and forth strokes. And I'm figuring out what the paper is actually going to look like, because toilet paper is on a roll and it's got a lot of sheets. And we're going to show that all those rings of toilet paper using our shadows. So this blue is going to really help add those shadows, like so. You see? And we're covering up a little bit of this toilet paper roll so that it stands out, it stands in. All right, and we're going to do just let's do the far edge. We'll leave this pink and yellow kind of closer up. We're just gonna do kind of the far edge and make it look like so. And I'm gonna do just the bottom corner here. I just think in my mind, what does toilet paper look like to me? It doesn't necessarily have to look like what other people think of toilet paper. But this is what toilet paper looks like in my mind. All right, I'm going to clean off my finger really well. I'm actually going to go in with the pink, because we're going to take this is the paper, that's where it starts to go down, like so. All right, I'm gonna clean my fingers off really well, and now I'm going to go in with the white paint. And with our white, I'm just going to do little strokes. I'm going to have a lot near this edge. We're just gonna kind of think about our line. So we're going to have this circle line right here. I'll just do the edge so that you can see. This is the part of the toilet paper roll that is closest to us. Right here. And I'm just gonna do some little tiny, like circular motions. And that is going to show all the different layers of toilet paper on our toilet paper roll. How fun is this? Maybe when it's all said and done, you can prank your mom and dad and say, Mom, Dad, I found another roll of toilet paper in the house. Okay, so now I'm going to take the white and I'm going to put it on the outside and work my way in. So I'm going to use longer strokes here. So these I did little short round strokes. I'm going to just do big long strokes that kind of mimic the lines of the paper. So boom, big long strokes. I'm going to actually tap into my pink and I'm just going to kind of make sure this edge is really, really strong. Right there. We'll throw a little bit of blue in there too. Okay. All right, and we're going to take this pink and blue mixture and we're going to kind of color up right here because that's going to be a shadow. We'll use it to color down as well. Now I'm going to take this white at the bottom and just take it up. White all the way across the bottom, and we're just going to take it up like so. Just using the side of my finger, just pull it up. Right. I'm really liking how this is looking. Let's make this nice and white right here on the edge. And we're gonna do it right here as well. Nice, bright, white. And that is our roll of toilet paper. Ta-da! There you have it, finger painting stars. There is my roll of toilet paper. What does your roll of toilet paper look like? Be sure to hashtag finger painting star for your chance to shine as the artist of the week. And until next time, sending you lots of love.